There are many different gluten-free flours on the market. Some offer very soft textures, some offer a little more firm textures for different baking applications. If you're using a gluten-free flour to replace all-purpose flour in things such as a breading or thickener, it's no problem. Recipes for products such as sweetbreads or muffins, they usually work pretty much at a 1-to-1 ratio with no problem. The trick with gluten-free flours is when you're making bread. Whenever you're making bread, it's really best to use a recipe that actually calls for gluten-free flours because there may be some changes in the recipe. You may need to have a longer ferment for your yeast. Often the gluten-free flours that are used in baking tend to absorb moisture more and would result in a drier product, and they're not going to be as light and fluffy. So it's really best to use a recipe that actually calls for gluten-free flours, or there are a lot of gluten-free baking mixes on the market specifically for breads. There are a lot of great products on the market, products such as Bob's Cup for Cup all-purpose gluten-free flour. There's Pamela's bread mixes and muffin mixes and cake mixes that make it very easy. And whether or not you're going gluten-free for health issues or just making dietary changes, these products make it very easy to make those changes. And they're great to work with, and they're really delicious.